Hi Louie.
Hi.
This is our second video on sea monkeys and aqua
So as
dragons.
you can see, I've just gone to the beach and found myself some sea aqua dragons.
Surely not.
I'm only joking.
Oh.
But these aqua dragons are
Same as sea monkeys?
pre-dinosaur.
Pre-dinosaurs?
Prehistoric. So
Really?
these were alive like 8 billion.
Hundreds of millions.
Hundreds and
Millions.
billions and trillions of years. So today, these are not triops. These are not sea monkeys. They're not sea dogs.
No.
They're aqua dragons.
Let's have a look.
So you may not be see it because we just fed them on our last video.
Oh yeah, we can see them here.
But you can still see a bit. And then there's some baby sea monkeys in here.
I'll just zoom in on this one first. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Got a good one there.
Okay. See that?
There you go.
That's cool, isn't it? And then this, you might not. Well, you can see that one.
Yeah.
That's an aqua dragon. That's an aqua dragon. We just transformed that into the sea monkeys. There's loads and loads of baby sea monkeys in here.
Oh yeah, I can see them. See them good.
So, yeah.
Oh there, look at that fella there.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's an aqua dragon. So, this is the sea monkeys on Mars tank. And then we're going to move on to what we're going to do and convert this bucket. Just look at that first.
Look at that. Oh, good zoom in there, that one.
So, moving on to the bucket again. So, we've ordered a new refill kit.
Okay.
Sea monkeys refill kit to put, because this is quite shallow. We're going to put more spring water in here, fill up to there.
Yeah.
So first of all, we're going to put the eggs into there,
Yeah.
so the water settles down. Then, when the eggs, when like,
Then they hatch.
then should we do it when they hatch or
Yeah.
just? Okay, when they hatch.
Yeah.
Or the day after.
Yeah.
You pour all the water into here.
Right.
With the big aqua dragons.
Okay.
And here's the lid. We did it ourselves.
Make some holes there on the top
made
of the
some
lid.
holes at the top of the lid.
Put to aerate
We
your
did have the
things.
aqua dragons in a jam jar, but we just didn't. I didn't like it because it looked like a mad scientist thing. There's not really any eggs in there anymore.
So we're going to get these out on the desk, show everybody.
Oh, yeah, I almost forgot then. So, we're gonna...
What have you got there? Pipette? What have you got?
Whoa.
What's up?
An aqua dragon just moved very fastly. So, right. We're gonna get... Whoa, they're all down there. We're gonna get all these aqua dragons with the pipette.
Yeah.
See all of them in there. I did not know I had this much of them. Look how much there are there. And we're just gonna squirt them onto the desk.
Oh wow, look at that. Let's try and get some good focus here. There we go. Oh yeah, I can see them really good now.
Can you?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'll put some more water in because they look like
Need a
they're
bit of water, it's a bit shallow I think. There we go. That's
bit
better.
more.
So these are literally on a pool of water on the desk. You see how the water has an edge to it.
They can't escape.
So they can't escape. So That edge is due to surface tension in the water.
Is that water getting closer to the edge, or?
Ooh, we're getting a bit close to the edge of the desk there.
I'll
So we're
get
going to
them
have to
all in.
suck. We've got a bit of an emergency going on here.
Whoa, right. What are we going to do here?
Suck them back into the tank. And that's how easy it is. You can just suck them back up and back in the tank.
Got them all. Think I did?
Yeah.
You see all of them there.
And there they go, back in the tank.
Chee.
And that's how you can do a close-up examination of your aqua dragons or sea monkeys on your desk. We have a useful little light here for examining them.
I think I made a bit too much big puddle.
Yeah.
I might just... We're going to show you them now on. I just need to wipe the desk with something. I'll just keep on doing this. So Dad, you talk to people.
Okay.
You talk to them about something whilst I'm doing this.
Well, that's basically what we do. So if we want to have a close-up view, we'd recommend getting yourself a light, which is just an LED light here, which is quite good because it moves around, so you can point it on the different tanks.
And try to get your sea monkeys in a place where there's a window.
We've got a window just next to it here.
You don't need to put it on a window ledge.
No.
Just do it a bit close to the...
They need lots of natural light, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better on sunny days because it gets more light. But
Yeah.
it's okay.
Yeah.
And we're just going to talk you through how to set up a tank.
Okay.
It's not hard, let me just tell you that for one.
Okay.
So, all you gotta do is get some spring water from your local shop.
Yeah, we use spring water rather than mineral water.
Because that's just the water they
Here's one.
That's one.
So there's no nasty chemicals in there. No chlorine.
I don't know why I'm using my cowboy hat for this.
No.
You can tell I'm from America.
Sure.
I got a cowboy hat.
Sure.
And I got the accent, so. Do you want to see an American lollipop?
Sure.
Let me just get it for you. That's an American lollipop.
Sure. Anyway, I think our next video, guys, our next video might be showing you some fossils. But this one, we're going to wrap this one up now, I think.
Right after we do the pool of McDonald.
Okay.
McDonald pool.
So these are the toys you get in the Happy Meals at McDonald's, is that right?
Yeah, a few weeks ago.
Alright.
But they've changed it now.
It makes a handy little...
Pool device.
Yeah, for putting your aqua dragons on. Here we go, let's try it again.
Okay.
So we suck them out of the tank.
First of all, why are all the aqua dragons down there, that corner? I'm just going to get a few.
Get a few out.
Right. I'm going to fill the pool up.
Alright, let's go. Let's have a look.
There's none in there.
Go.
Oh, there's one, but I'm just going to fill the pool up first.
Yeah, just leave it at that. I can get a good zoom in on that one there now.
Right, now let's get some more.
Put some dragons in. Oh yeah, there we go.
And there you go. That is the McDonald's aqua pool. It's quite cool, eh?
Yeah.
And it's the right height. Anyway, let's see that. Oh, yeah, that's good. Right, we might not have the best video photography because we're just filming it on a phone. We're not filming it on a camera or anything, and just a normal phone.
Yeah.
So, let's tip them back in. Not with the pipette, because that might not. Need the light to see if we don't. Any more?
Just checking that they're all out. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's about all we got to show you for today.
Yeah.
But maybe next time we'll show you the fossils. Say bye, Louie. Bye.